Hello everyone and welcome back to JMavTech. Today's video I'm going to talk about Grepper. Grepper pretty much is the answer system that you can use for your development arsenal. If you want to type in something that you need to find out, for your code, this is pretty much a great tool to use for your coding. And it implements a faster way of coding, suggests like a number of different methods for you to use while you're coding. So if you have a problem within your code, or if you see any debugging that you need to do, troubleshooting or whatnot, or any, I wouldn't say logic, but you kind of have to add that on your own. For little syntax errors or something like that, then I think Grepper would be a great problem solving tool to use. Here also you can actually see that there's a video here that you can watch, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe to these videos and to this channel. Just throwing that out there. Anyway, but for instance, so what I have here is you can, within your code, I'm using this here from my portfolio website. This is a use effect. So here you can also see that there's a you see what a use effect is, and it accepts a function that contains imperative, possibility, effective code. So, but does that really help us out? Okay, it gives us the basics, but it also has your Google search and everything here. But this is the ultimate thing with Grepper. You have greater examples, more straight to the point examples of code that you can use for each example or each function. So like use effect, and then you have your console log, and then the string here. So like I said, Grepper is a great tool to use. All you got to do is just add to your Google Chrome. Make sure you update your Google Chrome as much as you can, and then Grepper will be a great tool to use while you're coding. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Peace.
One eternity later.